Hello everyone, so today we'll be learning how to play a fun game. So before we go into that, I'm going to tell you all the material you need to make this fun game. So what I have here are 4 poster boards. You need some tape, and the numbers, as you can see in the video, I have those for, I'll be using those as well. And then construction paper. That's pretty much all you need. And also, if you don't want to buy poster boards, you can use a cardboard box to, not spend money. And also, I got all my material from Dollar Tree, so you can't go bad with Dollar Tree because they have everything you need. And we're gonna learn how to play Strike Zone overhand throw. So while you're watching the video, by the end of the video, we're gonna learn how to play the game. So I hope you guys have fun and enjoy the video. Thank you.
Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is getting heavy, can't hear the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beat chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow up. Hey, so let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk, just move right off the wall. Day night, sky's the light, so we dance to the breakdown.
Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you should keep your eyes on the ball.
This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this big chain like money. And this go overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm down, you know I glow. And let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Light it up like dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, eh. Light it up like dynamite. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. This is so watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite.
Welcome back. We are going to play Strike Zone. Before we do that, I would like to show you what we can do to make a few accommodations. So what we need is a cardboard box, a marker, and also we need measuring tape as well. So what I'm doing now is writing 5 feet. That's how far I want to throw the ball from and then I will measure from strike where the game's at to 5 feet so I can know where to throw it from. So I put the cardboard box on the floor, and we'll be doing that for 5 feet, 10 feet, and 15 feet. This is our game, Strike Zone. I will show you cues. There's 4. You point, ball by ear, step in, and throw. Those are the 4 cues. There's target 1, target 2, and target 3. We have 3 targets we can choose to throw it to. We are going to have so much fun. There goes 5 feet, or 10 feet, or 15 feet. These are the choices you get to throw the ball from, whichever you decide. So this is Strike Zone. I hope you guys enjoy this game and have fun. Right here I have a sock that we'll be using. Well, if you like, you can use a sock, but I will show you how to make a ball out of a sock. So here's a demonstration for you guys. Right here we have the sock we made, and then you can use a tennis ball for that as well, and then we can use, well, you can use anything that's a ball. Make sure it's soft though for safety. And here's Strike Zone. Right, so I'll be showing you how to do an overhand throw. So what you need to do is you point, you put the ball next to your ear, and then you step in and you throw. Then do a point, put the ball next to your ear like you're talking on the phone. You step in and you throw. I'll show you guys one more time. You point, ball next to ear, you step in, you throw. Now let's hit Strike Zone. You gotta get a strike, you guys. Come on. You can do it. Step in, throw. Point, ball next to ear, step in, throw. Awesome, everyone. And we can also do this sitting. It's similar cues. Make sure you have many balls you can throw. We point, ball by ear, and throw. We point, ball by ear, and throw. We have to make sure we follow through when we throw the ball. Do it one more time. So, now let's back up a little. This time it's 10 feet. Now that we went over all the steps on how to do an overhand throw, I think we are ready to play the fun strike zone game. So we'll get into that, and I hope you guys have fun. Thank you.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'm back to do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Alright everyone, we are done playing Strike Zone. I hope you guys had a blast, and we are going to go, but before we do, I would like to go over a few steps on how to throw an overhand throw. Step 1 is you point. Step 2 is ball by ear, like if you're talking on the phone. Step 3, step in, and step 4, you throw and follow through. I had fun, and I hope you guys did. Take care. Bye bye now.